It's breakfast time here and I am making porridge. It's a little bit chilly. I'm at a high altitude at the moment, staying in a really beautiful, sweet little cabin at the moment. So I don't have a fridge. I can't make my usual stash of plant-based milks and keep them in my fridge. So I'm opting at the moment to put something like creamed coconut or coconut butter into my porridge. It's a really great way just to add an extra little bit of creaminess without me having to have a fridge. It's actually something I also used to do, whether I had a fridge or not. So I thought today I'd show you how I make my coconut porridge. We're basically going to use oats, and I'm going to use gluten-free oats for this because that's what I prefer and that's what works better for me. And I'm going to use a little bit of creamed coconut. I'm going to add some water, also coconut sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon for good measure. So let's see how we make it. Okay, so I've got these nice gluten-free oats here, and I'm gonna add about 75 grams to the pan, and then I'm gonna add some water, and then pop it on the heat. Mix it in and just watch those oats start to swell nicely. And then I'm going to add a nice tablespoon of this coconut sugar. You see how that's swelling really nicely. So you just want to add a bit more water to that and give it a stir. You do want to keep stirring it quite regularly so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, but once the heat has sort of come up quite a bit, and you can turn it down to minimum to just let it simmer. And then just slice it. And that is probably equivalent to about 2 heaped tablespoons when sliced like that. And then about halfway through the cooking period, you want to just pop that in. And I'm also gonna add some ground cinnamon, about a heaped teaspoon there, and then give it a good mix in. And you want to make sure that creamed coconut or coconut butter melts nicely. And add a little bit more water if you need to, as it starts to thicken. So I think that it's just about perfect now. It's nice and thick. If you did have some plant-based milk, you could add a little bit of extra of that at this stage, or add a little bit of extra water. Now, it's been cooking for about 15 minutes, then it was perfectly ready. So if you want to make porridge, pop the lid on, go have a shower. If you have a shower, I actually don't have a shower here. That's another story. So if you want to pop the lid on, go have a shower or go get ready for work or whatever you're doing, pop the lid on, come back, and it'll be nice and ready for you. Now let's see how this porridge tastes. Okay. Yep. I like it, and it really hits the spot. This is a big bowl of porridge. I'm actually hungry that you might be able to split this between 2 people if you're having other things with your breakfast. This is a really good way to warm up and to enjoy something filling and very nurturing. I mean, we have to remember that oats are full of so much goodness. They've got a decent level of protein. They are jam-packed with B vitamins and other vitamins, minerals and nutrients that are very useful for us. And studies show that oats promote a sense of calm and relaxation and feel-good factor. I hope that this inspires you to be creative in the kitchen. Add more, add less of the things that you enjoy to it, and be adventurous. So thanks for tuning in. Please do come and visit my website, kindearth.net, and if you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest recipes and happenings at Kind Earth. Thanks for being here, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.